Oh my gosh, what are you doing?
I got a big one. I got one.
You got this. Oh, look, you're back to the blue line. That means you're where you started.
Yes.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yes.
Swim into the boat. Reel. Lift.
Am I doing it right?
I think so. This is so exciting.
Oh.
Oh, you're at the green line again. That means 100 feet.
Yes.
Carter, I'm gonna hand you this pole.
Oh.
Move the rod down 90 degrees to the boat. Yeah.
There you go. Keep it bent. Reel, reel,
Keep
reel.
her bent. Keep the line tight. Keep the
Maybe
line
don't
tight.
lift so high over your head. You lift a little bit. All right, there, stop, and now reel. There you go.
Yellow. Another color.
Trying to screw this up.
Trying so hard. I don't want to screw it up. Oh. Oh.
What are you doing with your leg?
Captain America.
I'm not as strong as
If
Carter.
the fish goes under the boat, you got to get the rod tip in the water. Right? So if you see the line going
Watch your level lines. Use your thumb to kind of turn. Yep, there you go.
I really hope I'm not just exaggerating like a 50-pounder.
All right, orange, and then I think green is the last color after orange.
Oh, come on.
It's like 30 feet from the boat.
Get to 100 pounds. Easy.
Come
Oh,
on.
he's huge.
Come on.
Focus, Noah. Don't screw this up. Oh, nice. You can see it now.
God.
Okay,
Reel
reel
your rod
down.
tip down to the swivel.
Reel down. Reel
Oh.
down.
Reel,
Reel down. Reel down.
reel to the swivel.
Okay,
Reel
lift.
down, reel down again.
Reel down. Reel down.
Reel to the swivel.
Lift towards me. Lift. Nice. Nice. To the right.
Away from the motor.
You're helping now, Carter. You're helping. Reel.
now you
Fight
gotta
him,
help.
Carter. Reel, Carter. Don't just stand there.
Let's go.
You're helping. Noah.
Yeah. Woo!
Oh, Carter! It's got
Carter,
it's
help
got
me!
Carter, and it's got Noah. And it's huge.
Oh. It's taking line. Seriously, it's back all the way to the bottom.
Yeah, it's.
Those have got rope on them.
Yep. Start reeling those in.
Never lost the fish. I stuck twice. Rod tip away from the boat. Dude, it's going back to the bottom. It's a 100-pound halibut.
It's huge.
Yeah, it's a good one. No, it's talking smack.
Talking smack.
I told you, the captain has to go to the bathroom.
You still have 75 feet.
Thanks, Caleb.
Fish
Make that
collapsed that
It
buoy.
collapsed. The buoy's got no more air in it.
So as soon as the buoy pops, now all you do is reel slack line. Because he's got to pull it up here by the mouth.
My God.
Look, it did collapse the buoy.
Wow.
You just give yourself away.
Come on, Noah.
All my training is for this. Nobody
Pull it up.
pulls the boat.
Our line broke.
Okay, now you have to
Look at
lift.
him go.
Dang it, now.
Yeah.
Now we have to pull the anchor.
So it takes about an 80-pound fish to bring the buoy down 10 feet, and then they come back up. That fish brought the buoy all the way to the bottom and held it there for about 2 minutes. At the bottom. At the bottom, yeah, with the buoy. So it collapsed the buoy because the pressure. And so it's probably, it's 100 plus.
So the buoy started expanding when it came up and then came off.
Yeah.
Is it 200 pounds?
Yeah, you're good.
Yes, sir.
Hey, do you want me to tie this other buoy to another pole?
Harpoon them again?
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna gaff the buoy and then try and harpoon the fish. Yeah, straight back and starboard. Okay, straight back.
Straight back, straight back.
trade places. Okay, stop! Stop! It's right next to us now. Water port.
Carter, you stand over there. I'll trade you.
I'll take that. Put it in the mouth or the eyeball.
Yeah, well, that's a big fish.
Right in the mouth. Yep, under the chin. Right there. Yep, got him. Okay, cool. Fish is caught. Damn.
But did you die? But did you die? No, he's big.
Let me see him.
He's over
He's a
100.
big one.
No, that's probably the biggest thing you ever caught.
Yeah.
You gotta get in the water now.
That's not 200 pounds.